Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a GPU runtime in Colab so training runs acceptably fast. Once done, install Ultralytics and a torch build that matches the Colab CUDA version. This avoids version conflicts. Next, mount your Google Drive to store datasets and models. Make sure folders are organized with clear train/val subfolders. You'll run these commands in separate cells to catch errors early, and you'll verify GPU availability with NVIDIA SMI before proceeding to data preparation. Once your drive is mounted, convert or verify your dataset is in YOLO format and split into train/val. Then create a YAML config that points to those paths and sets NC and class names. This tells Yolov8 what to expect. Next, pick a pre-trained backbone, Yolov8n for speed, Yolov8s for balance, Yolov8m for better accuracy, and load it with Ultralytics. You'll run training with specific batch and image size settings, and monitor loss and AP in real time so you can adjust hyperparameters if necessary. You kick off training with the YOLO command pointing at your model, data YAML, epochs, and IMCs. Watch the console for batch time and loss trends. Once training finishes, run validation using the best checkpoint to get MAP, precision, and recall metrics so you know how well it generalizes. Save the best, PT and logs back to drive. If something goes wrong, like CUDA out of memory, reduce IMCs, or batch size, that single tweak resolves most interruptions and lets you continue from the last checkpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.